Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to give you guys another review on a balloon kit that I ordered. This time I ordered it from Shein, Shein, however y'all want to pronounce it. I got the birthday balloon kit. It's a 98-piece set. Got it from Shein for $5, y'all. $5. My first two kits, I purchased them from Amazon, and I spent between $18 to $25 for each one. I had a friend that told me that, girl, you know you could be getting these from Shein. And I'm like, what? So I looked on their website. They got all these balloon kits that I could have been getting for the low, $5. I'm a beginner, so it's like, why am I gonna be spending all these money on these kits and they ain't going nowhere? So yeah, I decided to purchase one from, I purchased 4 of them from Shein. And I'm excited to see what the quality of these balloons are, which I don't expect them to be Qualitex or all them other high dollar name brands. But I want to give it a shot. So you have, looks like they already sorted the balloons out for you. So I have this maroon color, pink. These look like 5-inch balloons, so they have maroon and pink mixed together. They came with the balloon tire. I don't use these because I use my fingers. Some balloon string, pretty, nice and glittery. Then you have your glue dots. I haven't had to use these yet because I've learned how to tie my balloons and make them stick together without using the glue dots. So I have quite a few of these on hand. And then this is balloon tape. So let's go ahead and open up these packages, see what we're working with. I don't smell that latex smell. You know, my first 2 kits, it was like so strong. But those don't smell too bad. So I'm going to go ahead and start blowing these up. I'll open the packages as I go. We have the 5-inch balloons right here. Let's go. So when you're blowing up the balloons, you want to release air out of the balloon so you can get that nice round shape. We don't want the cone look. You see the difference? So yes, we release air so we can have the nice little round shape. And then you just tie them together. Let me back up. It depends on how you want to do it. So what I'm going to do today is, let me see, because I didn't even think about it. I think I'm going to just tie them together. I'm going to tie my 5 inches together. So I took both necks of the balloons and I tied them together. So you get your double balloon. And I haven't decided how I was going to create this art. So I'm going to keep it simple today and just match my colors. Looks like my nozzle has stopped working on me, y'all. Can y'all believe this? This is ridiculous. Let me try unplugging it to see if that makes a difference. Did not make a difference, y'all. So this is going to take me even longer to pump these balloons up because now I have to place each balloon up here. Try to hold them down while I press the power button. Here's a closer view of me tying the balloons together. Like I said, you take your 2 necks and tie them into a knot. And it looks like this. So far these balloons, you could tell they're super cheap because you can see right through them. Let's see. Can y'all see my hand? Straight through. Yeah, you can see my hand. So that's a sign of cheap quality. Also the little nipple right here. You can see that. Cheap quality. Nice color though. Okay, so that was the end of the 5-inch maroons. I'm gonna move on to the pink balloons. I see one balloon already has a little slit in it, so I'm sure it won't blow up. Let's see. Okay, maybe that was just in the neck of it, so haven't lost a balloon yet. Or maybe we have. So like I said, I'm gonna save 2 matte fact.
That you could.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna save 3, and I'm gonna attach those to a larger size balloon. Okay, so you have your 10-inch balloon versus the 5-inch. All right, my bad, I got sidetracked. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach a 5 and a 10-inch together so y'all can see what that looks like. Boom. Those colors look good together. I am noticing that the necks on these balloons are super long. Sticking out like that. But we're going to fix that. That's when my fingers work magic and fix that. I like the color on these though. You can barely see the nipple on these. Barely. Compared to the other lighter colors. All right, so we got the 18 inches. See what these look like. I just popped one. Well, not an 18-inch, but I just popped a 10-inch balloon. Whoa. She huge. Let me see if I can add some more. So this is what the 18-inch balloon looks like. All right, so all the balloons have been blown up. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all how I make my quads and my clusters. And then I'm gonna put this on a ring art and we'll get the final look. So I have the balloons blown up, and I'm going to be installing them onto this balloon ring art. I purchased this from one of my friends for about $50. I will be posting a video on how to put this together. But for now, let's go ahead and put the balloons on them. This will be my first time, so I'm going as I know how to. So for the base, I'm going to start with the bigger balloons, just because I've learned that the foundation of the balloons, it looks better when the bigger ones are at the bottom. So let's see. So I don't think I can twist them across. So I'm going to grab two 10-inch balloons and twist them. So I have my 10-inch balloons, 18-inch, and I'm going to twist the 10-inch onto the 18s to make them stay. These, take the middle, place them in, and just give it a little twist. And that did not work. So let's twist it again. Okay, that's a start. So I'm basically just twisting them onto the ring. Let's get some of these going. You know, I'm going to try something. So I'm going to make some quads, right? Put them together in the middle. Twist this side. Basically twisting each side so that it makes them stay together. And then I'm going to take this cluster and just attach it. Okay, so I went to go grab some 260s. These are the long balloons that y'all used to go to the fair and see the clowns blowing them up and making little elephants out of them. Yes, they're called 260s. And we use these to stretch balloons across one end to the next, or to wrap it around the balloon so they'll stay together. And then I also grabbed the glue dots. Y'all see the dots? This will be my first time using them. So I just cut the 260 in half. What I'm gonna do is tie it to the end. So this is what it looked like when I tied it. I want this long end that's stretched. What y'all think? Let me scoot it over.